Armando, you'll love this. Picture this. The New York Yankees, the team that always finds a way to be in the spotlight, have officially broken baseball with a torpedo bat. Yes, you heard that right. Jazz
Yep.
Chisholm is swinging what basically looks like a canoe oar, and somehow it's completely legal. So, reports out there that Yankees studied this and discovered that where he's making the contact with the baseball, and it could benefit him. So, a wider bat surface, and according to MLB rules, as long as the bat's diameter doesn't exceed 2.61 inches at its thickest part, it's totally legal. So the question is, what's next? We can use a hockey stick, a cricket bat, or are we going to see Aaron just step up to
The
the plate
golden
with a
bat.
tennis racket, right?
The golden batter rule.
So you gotta hand it to the Yankees, Armando. They've done it again. Every team is out here trying to master launch angles and exit velocities, and New York is just like that. What if we made the bat bigger? And guess what? It's working, right?
Oh,
Through the first three games of the season, the Yankees have already hit 15 home runs, tying an MLB record. So it's working for them.
that's very impressive.